Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change your country or region on Google AdSense. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Google AdSense. Click the first link and sign into your AdSense account. Here's the important part. You cannot change your country directly on an existing AdSense account. To change your country, you need to delete your current account and create a new one using the correct country. When creating the new account, choose your country during setup. If you just need to adjust your time zone, go to Account, then Settings, and Account Information. And that's it. That's how to change your AdSense country or region. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.